So yes, now get ready because we are ready to write our first Java program. So let's launch Eclipse from the desktop shortcut or your favorite Java development editor. And then choose a path for the workspace. I'll choose the default path. And sometimes you have to wait while Eclipse is being opened. Hello World will be our first program. Now, of course, it's the tradition in the programming world to create a small program which writes Hello World as the phrase to the console. So in order to create a Java project, please choose the File menu and New, and then choose Java Project, and then enter the project name. My first Java project. All right, so you can use the default location or select the other location. If you have multiple versions of Java runtime environment, you can always choose the JRE that your project is targeting. And by default, the newest JRE will be selected, so we choose the first option. There's no need to change any of the other options. And then click Next on the screen. And in fact, uncheck Create Module Info.java file. And then click the Finish button. And yeah, our new project was created in the Project Explorer view. So after that, from the source folder, SRC, on the Project Explorer pane on the left side of the Eclipse IDE, just right-click on it to show the contextual menu and choose the menu item New and Class. So now on this screen, enter Hello World as a package name. So package can be thought of as a folder, and the package name starts with the lowercase letters. So let's give Hello World as our name for the new class, and also check the box Public Static Void Main. And what that does is it lets Eclipse create a main method, and then we can click the Finish button. So now you see the Hello World class with package in the Project Explorer view. And also you'll see a comment line on the code area to do auto-generated method stub. Told you it was a language. So this is the Eclipse code template that is automatically created. Now, if we don't like this template, we can change the templates via the Window, Preferences, Java, Code Style, and Code Templates. Select Code and Method Body, and then just press Edit to edit the template. And then remove the to-do comment. Then press Apply and Close, and let's see what we get. So let's change the code of the helloworld.java file to the following code. System.out.println. Inside double quotes, hello world. And what this method does is it prints the contents inside the double quotes into the console and inserts a new line after. Now, in Java, it is necessary to add a semicolon at the end of the statement. And yeah, that's all. To execute the Java Hello World program, right-click on your program file and choose Run As, Java Application. And if everything's correct, you're going to see Hello World in the console window just like that. Congratulations, we did our first Java program.